Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Vicky here again, and this video is little bit update of the last video that I made on the affiliate marketing program. So this is my Easy One Up account, and this is the income stream 1 of the David Eccles program. So I'm going to log into this income stream, and I'm going to show you what's the update from the last video. Okay, so I'm going to type the captcha here, and I will click submit to login. So here I'm going to click on dashboard. Okay guys, as you can see, now I have made about $86,300 in 2 months from this high ticket affiliate marketing program. And in the last video I had about 75,000, and just after 6 days now I have done $86,000. Okay, so that's like $11,000 in 6 days. Okay, so basically guys, I started this program in September, so it's been like a little bit more than 2 months now, and I have around 62 sales, and from those 62 sales I have this income from this high ticket program. Okay, so now I will go to the affiliate marketing community of this program, and I will show you how much other people are making. Okay, so basically guys, this is the Facebook group of this affiliate marketing program, and I'm going to show you how much others are making from this program. Okay, this is Jen. So she made $2,000 while I was snugging with my cat. So as you can see guys, Jen made $2,000 as she was snugging with her cat. Okay, and here it's me. I made $2,250 that day, so I have posted here. And here is Jena. So Jena made $500 today, 100% commission at 2:55 a.m. while I was sleeping. So she is making money while she was sleeping. And here is N made $2,000 sale came through this morning while I was enjoying a dish. So she made $2,000 while she was enjoying a dish, and it says 100% commission. So yeah guys, basically this affiliate marketing pays you 100% commission on every sale that you make. Okay, and here we have Jason. Jason made $298 from another income stream inside the funnel. So basically the funnel has 7 income streams, which I'll show you later in this video. And here Bambi, she is on the leaderboard, so that's what she has posted. Lemmy made $2,000, and she said I joined a week ago. So she joined a week ago, and she has already made her first $2,000. And if we keep scrolling, here is Jenna again, and here is Patrick. So Patrick made $25 today. Karen made $2,000 again. Here Paolo made $4,000 today in 1 day. So guys, as you can see, people are making $2,000, $4,000 in 1 day. Here Saeed made $2,000 today. Here we have Nate. So Nate made $2,000 just from one sale. As you can see, $2,000 one sale here. Here we have another member called Elisa. So Elisa made $2,000 today this morning, and I couldn't be more than thankful. Thank you so much, David. So Elisa made $2,000 today from this done for you affiliate marketing funnel. Here we have Susan, another member. She made $25 today. So basically guys, here there are different commissions. Okay, they are from $25 up to $2,000. So as you can see here, a lot of members are making different commissions. Here Raj made $6,000 done today. Thank you. So Raj made $6,000 today in 1 day. Okay, here Derek made $2,000 again. So basically guys, this is a done for you affiliate marketing funnel which I have been promoting, and all these people have been promoting here. Gina made $6,000 in 15 days. So all these people have been promoting the same funnel, the same done for you system that I have been promoting, and all these sales are coming from that done for you campaign. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a brief walkthrough how you can get started on this system. And if you have been following me for last few videos, you might have already made account, but if you haven't, I'm gonna show you how you can make your account right now. So you can get commissions like these people, $2,000, $500, $1,000 every single day. Okay, so basically guys, this is a done for you system. Okay, this is a done for you funnel, and here you will send traffic to your funnel. Okay, so once you're gonna send traffic to your done for you system, now inside the system you have 7 different income streams that gonna make you money. Okay, so after sending the traffic to this automated done for you system, your traffic will go through 7 different income stream, and once you get sales, you will make money from 7 different income stream. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how you can get started on this done for you system. Okay, so basically guys, this is the Profit Passport funnel, the David Dekel program, and I have put the link in the description. When you will click the link, you're going to land here. Okay, you're going to land on this first page. So this is the webinar, and here you can see it says new member, create a new account. So you're going to enter your email here, and you're going to click yes, let me in. And once you will click yes, let me in, you're going to land here on this page. So this is the dashboard of this done for you system, and here is the video webinar. So you have to watch this webinar complete. Okay, and once you have watched this webinar, you need to set up your system. So here you can see it's income stream number 1, here is income stream number 2. As you can scroll down, you will see income stream number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the 7 income stream. Okay, and the income stream which is generating the most money is this one. What I observed is this is the income stream which has generated most money for me and for other people. Okay, so first of all you need to create account on this income stream. Okay, so now you will click here sign up or create account. Once you will click here, you will land on Easy One Up, and there you have to create your account on the income stream number 1. And if you are having any problem on how to create the account, you can simply click here for tutorial. You will click here, and David will guide you on how to set up your Easy One Up with Profit Passport funnel. Okay, so this is Profit Passport funnel, and once you have set up your Easy One Up account, your income stream account, what you need to do, you will go to your Easy One Up. Okay, and you will copy your username. This is your username, so you will copy this. Okay, and you will put here. Okay, you will put that username here. Once you will put here, you're gonna click save and update, and then your income stream number 1 will be ready. Okay, and then you can set up your income stream number 3 or 4, but for now I would say to set up the income stream number 1 only. Okay, because this is the most converting stream right now. Now once you have set up your income stream, this is your affiliate link. Okay, this is your affiliate link that you're going to promote to make sales and to make commission. So how are you going to promote this link? So to promote this link, what you're going to do, you're going to use these 3 traffic sources. Okay, the number 1 is solo ads. Okay, you're going to order solo ads to your Profit Passport funnel. Okay, keep in mind that you need to promote your affiliate link, this one. Okay, you have to promote this affiliate link. You don't have to promote your affiliate link from Easy One Up. Okay, so you're gonna promote your affiliate link from Profit Passport, and you're going to send clicks to this affiliate link. Okay, so you're going to use solo ads, and you're going to use Facebook ads, and you're going to use free Facebook ad okay, free Facebook traffic. So these 3 traffic sources that you're going to use, and you're going to send traffic to your done for you system, okay, to your affiliate link here, okay. So once you send traffic to your affiliate link of the Profit Passport, you will be able to make commissions, you will be able to make sales like these people's here, okay. So guys, after you have set up the system, you're going to send the traffic, okay, and then you're gonna make sales. Basically in Easy One Up there are different levels that you can join. So if I click here my products, you can see this is Elevation label, this is Elevation Elite, Vertex, Vertex Elite, Vertex Pro, Vertex Live. So basically guys, there are 6 different label on income stream 1 that you can start with, okay. And let me show you some of the bonus that I give you when you choose the different levels. So guys, now I'm gonna tell you what are the bonuses that you're gonna get when you join income stream number 1, okay. So guys, this is the bonus number 1. The first bonus is free export of your affiliate link in YouTube ad rotator. So you're gonna get your affiliate link placed in YouTube rotator for free, okay. And this is the bonus number 2, which is free upgrade to income stream number 2 at the highest level. So guys, this is the income stream number 1 where you can make up to $1,000, up to $998. So you're going to get free upgrade to this income stream number 2 up to the highest level when you join at $2,000 level in Easy One Up in income stream number 1, okay. Now the bonus number 3 is access to my Facebook ad training course. So I'm going to give you free access to my Facebook ad training course on how you can promote such offers on the Facebook ads, okay. And the 4th bonus is complimentary Mexico vacation stay. So you're gonna get Mexico vacation package at $2,000 level in the income stream number 1. And this is the bonus number 5. So yeah guys, these are the different bonuses that you're gonna get when you join at $2,000 level in income stream number 1. So that's total of $10,000 bonuses, okay. And here are the bonuses at $1,000 level. These are the bonuses at $1,000 level. These are the bonuses at $500 level. So yeah guys, these are the different bonuses that you're gonna get when you join Easy One Up at different levels, okay. So yeah guys, I would recommend you go ahead, click the link from the description, create your account, set up your 7 income stream done for you system, okay. Once you have set up the system, you will get all these bonuses, okay, and then you will be able to make money from 7 different income stream like me here, okay, or like these people, $4,000 here, okay, $25 here. Here we have another member, $200,000, okay, $200,000 from this done for you system. Here $2,000. Here we have another member, $1,000. So yeah guys, go ahead, set up your system, and then you will be able to make commissions like these people or like me from this automated system, from this done for you system. And if you have any question, drop them below this video, or you can also join my Facebook group, or you can also message me on the Facebook, and I would love to answer your question. This is my Facebook page where you can connect with me. So yeah guys, this is pretty much in this video. Again, I have put the link in the description box, so go ahead, check out that link, create your done for you system, send traffic and make commission like me and like these people in this Facebook community, okay. And thanks for watching. See you inside.